Hi everyone, this is U.S. immigration lawyer Michael Ashoori, and in today's video I'm going to answer the question, how many times can I apply for a reentry permit? This is a question that I get asked quite a bit, so with that let's get started. First things first, what is a reentry permit? A reentry permit is a travel document for U.S. permanent residents, and a reentry permit can help to protect your green card and your status as a permanent resident in the following situations. If you plan to leave the US for longer than 6 months, or if you travel frequently. Now, one issue with reentry permits is that they are only valid for a maximum period of up to 2 years from the date of issuance. For many permanent residents, 2 years is not enough time. For this reason, some permanent residents, some green card holders, must apply for a second reentry permit, and in some cases, maybe even a third reentry permit. So the question remains, how many times can someone apply for a reentry permit? The answer is that there is no limit to the number of times that you can apply for a reentry permit. Specifically, the regulations do not specify a maximum number of times that you can receive a reentry permit. However, the regulations do limit the length of time your reentry permit is valid for, depending on how long you have been outside of the US. Typically, a reentry permit is valid for 2 years from the date it is issued. However, if since you became a permanent resident, or within the last 5 years, whichever is less, you have been outside of the US for more than 4 years total, your reentry permit will be valid for only 1 year instead of 2 years. So let's look at the exact regulation. Specifically, the Code of Federal Regulations states, a reentry permit issued to a person who, since becoming a permanent resident, or during the last 5 years, whichever is less, has been outside the United States for more than 4 years in the aggregate, shall be limited to a validity of 1 year. So there you have it. An important note that I'd like to mention is that a reentry permit cannot be extended. Instead, you must apply for a new reentry permit. You must be physically present in the US when you apply, and you must also do a biometrics appointment, go to a biometrics appointment to have your fingerprints taken, again, each time you apply. Another important note that I want to mention is that I want to make sure that you know that having a reentry permit is not a guarantee that you will preserve your status as a permanent resident. It's helpful to preserve your status and to protect your status as a permanent resident, but it's not a guarantee. So I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. If you did, please like the video, please subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified of all the videos that we're posting. We post a lot of videos on US immigration law. And if you have any questions at all, I've put my contact information in the description below. And I've also included a special link for you to schedule a free consultation with my office. So if you have any questions, go ahead and click that link, schedule a consultation, and we'd be very happy to help you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.